Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are going to take a short walk around the town of Corralejo in northern Fuerteventura. It's right on the northern tip, and from here you can get a ferry to the island of Lanzarote. So I hope you enjoy it, everyone. Please remember to give it a like. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and check out our playlists from the island. Thank you and enjoy. Hey?
Like some sea shoes.
It's meant to be putting water over there. Tide's up, isn't it? Hey? You say tide's up?
I think so.
Stop it.
Stop, please. Why is it on fire? Yeah, even then.
There's a meeting.
Yeah.
Pretty good, isn't it? The padlocks around here.
They're all Spanish menu.
Are they? Where does it say that?
I like this one. I like this one.
Is that one of the nice? Is that one of the nice ones that goes to Wandsworth? Fred Olsen.
Yeah, that's for foot passengers, isn't it? Yeah, number 6. I think it might be a little bit too close to all the action. Oh, that's nice. Number 8. Hey, look, there's a little barbecue outside and everything, though. Right, sit there, look. Watch people watch. Yeah. Let's go. A lot of effort. Lots of places for tapas around here. Yeah, this is Music Square. This is the square, yeah.
Oh my God. Sarah! Sarah! Sarah!
Not at the moment. Thank you. Hola, hola. So I hope you enjoyed that quick look at Corralejo. I'm actually visiting here again next year, so I will have a bit more detail on the area because I'm stopping there. The clip here is Popcorn Beach, which is not too far away. It's worth having a look at, everyone. So if you check out my playlist on Fuerteventura, you will see it in there. Like I say, definitely recommend a visit if you are staying in the local area or you've got a car. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Check out our Facebook and Instagram page where I share lots of photos. And yep, check out the playlist, everyone. So thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed this series. And we'll be back again next year with more from this beautiful island. Thank you and goodbye.